I'm Alexcis.
And I'm Christina.
Christina, are you stressed?
Well, of course I am.
Well, about 77% of people are regularly stressed according to the American Institute of Stress.
Well, that's a lot of stressed people. And you know what? Today we're going to show you 2 different methods of how to de-stress your life, and they're do-it-yourself projects. So I'll be making a calm down jar.
And I'll be making a do-it-yourself stress slime. And both are relatively simple steps that you can do at home, and you can carry it in your briefcase, purse, and have it at your desk or your office or in your home space.
We're not guaranteeing it'll take all your problems away, but sometimes, it helps to get your hands dirty. So thank you for watching, and let's get to it.
So today we're going to start with how to make stress slime. Below you can see the following materials needed to make this stress slime, such as Elmer's glue, baking soda, you'll need water, shaving cream, food coloring, and eye contact solution. Step 1, you'll need Elmer's glue, about 2/3 of Elmer's glue, and you just pour it simply into a bowl. And for step 2, we're going to use a half of teaspoon of baking soda. And for step 3, we're going to use a quarter of water and 2 to 3 cups of shaving cream, not shaving gel, shaving cream. And for step 4, today I'm adding blue food coloring, but you can choose any color you'd like. So just simply put a couple drops, and there you go. And for step 5, the last step, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of contact solution. And for the next step, we're just gonna mix all the materials together. It'll take a little while, and we still have to add 1 more half teaspoon of contact solution. This will be the final product after you mix a little bit. We still have to add some contact solution, but so far it's getting sticky. So this is our final product. As you can see, you can mess around with it, and here's your stress slime. It's gonna be sticky at first, but once you cool it down and refrigerate it, it should loosen up. So as a little tip in the end, if you're feeling super stressed, you can also add some essential oils such as lavender, orange, or any other ones you'd like. And basically, if you're stressed, just get these simple house products and make yourself some slime.
Thank you so much, Alexis. Now it's my turn. So for the calm down jar, the first ingredients we need, or the only ingredients I should say, are it's gonna be a bowl to mix with and a whisk, some warm to hot water, some clear liquid dish soap. The only one I could find was coconut scented, but as long as it's clear, you should be fine. Some glitter, any color of glitter, any color food coloring, and finally, your calm down jar. The first things first, because the water level of the jar has to be exactly half, I just use the calm down jar to measure the halfway point for the water. So the first step is going to be to pour the water into our mixing bowl. So now step 2 is the same as step 1, we're just repeating it with the soap. So I took out the water as you saw and put it into the mixing bowl, and I replaced the water in my calm down jar with the soap. So now we're just gonna pour the soap back into the mixing bowl. It's just 50-50, water and soap. So now step 3 is going to be to add our food coloring. So you could add any color you like. As you can see, I love orange. So I took my red and my yellow food colorings and I'm gonna mix them to make a really beautiful orange. So I'm just gonna put a few dabs. 1 or 2, I'd say 1, 2 probably of the red. And you can always, if it's not the color that I want it to be, I could always add more. Always start out with less because you could always add more. And then maybe 4, 5, end up being 5 shots of the yellow. Now our final step in the preparation process is going to be adding the glitter. You can add as much or as little as you want. If you find at the end that you're too little flowing, too little glowing, add more. And just be careful with glitter. Side note, you could open this up in your living room 1 year and then 17 years later find it in your bathroom for some reason. Glitter gets everywhere. So just really be careful with this step because, like I said, glitter gets everywhere. So you just add it to the bowl. Whoa. So right now we're gonna start with a little bit, increase it as it goes on, and we're whisking it because we don't want the glitter to clump up, and then because that will just leave for a really depressing calm down jar. So just gonna mix it up a little bit, see how that is looking. The silver glitter starts to kind of blend in with our orange soap and water and becomes even almost yellow. All right, moment of truth, we're gonna pour. It's okay if it starts to bubble up, just it's soap. So just let it go a little bit. The bubbles should start to come down. You can pour any remaining glitter that you have in there. And this is your finished product, your calm down jar. So now let's see the jar in action. So what you do is you see the glitter's all at the bottom, but you know what? You're feeling really stressed. You just want to get your hand on something, shake it. You just start shaking it. And as you can see, that's how the magic happens. Just watch it, watch them glitters go. They got their whole lives ahead of them. Just watch it go. I mean, it's just like just calming. Like I said, it's not gonna solve all your problems, but sometimes you just sit for 5 seconds, you just watch it, you just shake it. I mean, works for me. Wow, Alexis, you did a really good job with this. I'm feeling less stressed by the minute.
I mean, in your glitter jar, I mean, this is amazing, but I do think you have some glitter on your face.
Thanks for watching.